Can bone broth rebuild your joints? Joint pain and stiffness can interfere with daily life. Many are now turning to bone broth, a traditional remedy, hoping it can repair damaged joints. But can bone broth rebuild your joints, or is this just another health fad? Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints? Discover the natural solution. Visit the link below in the description for the details. Here's what you need to know. 1. Bone broth is rich in collagen. Bone broth contains collagen, a protein essential for cartilage and joint structure. While your body breaks collagen down during digestion, the amino acids, like glycine and proline, support collagen production in the body. 2. Contains joint-supporting compounds. Bone broth includes small amounts of glucosamine and chondroitin, two well-known compounds found in joint supplements. These help reduce joint pain and slow cartilage breakdown, but the amounts in broth are often too low to produce dramatic effects alone. 3. May reduce inflammation. Glycine, an amino acid in bone broth, has anti-inflammatory effects. Lower inflammation may ease joint pain and stiffness, especially in arthritis sufferers. 4. Supports gut health, indirectly helping joints. Gelatin from bone broth can help heal the gut lining. A healthier gut may lower systemic inflammation, which is linked to joint conditions. 5. Not a miracle cure, but helpful. While bone broth isn't a magic fix, it can be part of a joint-friendly lifestyle. Regular consumption may help maintain joint health, especially when paired with a balanced diet and exercise. Can bone broth rebuild your joints? Not exactly, but it can support joint health in several ways. Rich in collagen, amino acids, and other nutrients, bone broth may reduce pain and improve mobility over time. For best results, use it as part of a comprehensive wellness plan. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints so you can move freely, exercise without discomfort, and enjoy daily activities with ease? Visit the link below in the description for the details. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.